While the world struggles with plastic waste choking our rivers and oceans, a group of middle school students in Japan quietly built something incredible. A small floating robot, powered entirely by solar energy, that can detect and collect trash drifting along rivers. It does not need supervision. It moves on its own, avoiding obstacles and scooping up plastic bottles, wrappers, and even micro-waste. What is even more impressive, the students built it using recycled materials and old electronics. The total cost, just under $100. What started as a science fair project quickly caught the attention of local authorities, who are now exploring ways to scale it up across multiple waterways. These are not engineers or scientists. They are teenagers, proving that you do not need a lab to change the world, just curiosity, creativity, and a purpose. The future is not waiting. It is already being built by the hands of students.